This is really an exciting announcement. Today is about economic vitality and about jobs. We've been working on this for many, many years, and today to announce this innovation campus that's going to break ground today, 195-acre site here is something that we're just so pleased and again excited.
PAIC stands for Pittsburgh Airport Innovation Campus. It's a 195-acre site located west of the extended parking lot and spans to the Clinton exit off of Interstate 376.
This is an economic engine for the region, and we know that, not just in terms of flights, but in terms of the land use and what we do with it.
When you look across the runways here and you see Dick's Sporting Goods and with a hangar right there, so Ed Stack can leave his office, get into an airplane, fly anywhere in the world, that is an incredible thing.
This is the first impression. If people show up here and what they immediately see is one of the most technologically advanced airports in the entire world, people are going to know what it is that we have going on here in Pittsburgh.